Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Erenmols, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. Otúrá Méjì performed divination in the sky for Bàbá Ìmọ's story. Lahla nla ho. This is the invocation used for Otúrá Méjì, who is called in heaven En Baba Ra Abba, because he was the one who performed divination for Bàbá Ìmọ before the latter left heaven to come to earth. Prayer: En Abba la Abba. En Abba a la Abba. En Abba la ba lampini baba. Adfafun emole abevu gerejeti o chokosi ipkonti o ma kere ayeje. The person you encounter again and again, and who later becomes the elder in the village, is called an elder. This is the name of the Ifa priest, Otúrá Méjì, who performed divination for the chief of the Ìmọ, to enable them to inherit ownership of the earth with minimal effort, from a seated or sedentary position. Bàbá Ìmọ was told to make a sacrifice with 4 hens, 4 roosters, 4 doves, and 4 snails, and he carried out this sacrifice. When he arrived in the world, he struggled for a long time before he could realize his destiny. But when he finally met Otúrá Méjì again on earth, he made the same sacrifices for him inside the cave, and was told, "Your flock will multiply, but the reward for your sacrifice will be harvested by your descendants and followers. They will always obtain wealth with very little or no effort, and those who seek to know the truth about Olódùmarè will always come to you to receive the message."